And accused of assassinating conservative activist Charlie Kirk, now charged with 7 counts, including aggravated murder, as prosecutors now pursue the death penalty.
State of Utah versus Tyler James Robinson. Could you state your name?
Tyler James Robinson.
22-year-old Tyler Robinson appearing in court for the first time Tuesday after Utah County Attorney Jeff Gray outlined his case against the suspect, linking him to that single fatal shot of the 31-year-old husband and father of 2.
Counting or not counting gang violence? Great.
Prosecutors say the suspect's DNA was found on the rifle's trigger and laid out the evidence they say tied him to the crime, sharing these photos that reached millions of people, including the suspect's mother.
Robinson's mother saw the photo of the shooter in the news and thought the shooter looked like her son.
Prosecutors say the suspect's father then got Robinson on the phone.
Robinson implied that he was the shooter and stated that he couldn't go to jail and just wanted to end it. When asked why he did it, Robinson explained there is too much evil and the guy, referring to Charlie Kirk, spreads too much hate.
Authorities say his parents detailed a shift in their son.
Robinson's mother explained that over the last year or so, Robinson had become more political and had started to lean more to the left, becoming more pro-gay and trans rights oriented. She stated that Robinson began to date his roommate, a biological male who was transitioning genders.
The prosecutor says the roommate then handed over incriminating messages from the suspect.
The roommate received a text message from Robinson which said, "Drop what you're doing, look under my keyboard." The roommate looked under the keyboard and found a note that stated, quote, "I had the opportunity to take out Charlie Kirk, and I'm going to take it."
According to authorities, he then explained his motive for allegedly murdering Kirk.
Robinson, I had enough of his hatred. Some hate can't be negotiated out.
The suspect also allegedly telling his roommate he'd been planning the attack for a little over a week. And now investigators trying to determine whether he acted alone or if the people he was allegedly communicating with on the messaging app Discord knew what he planned to do.
Dan, do you believe that the suspect was a lone wolf, or could this be part of a
I
group?
can't comment on that. I'm not aware of all their investigation. I just know that these agencies are continuing to investigate this case and follow all leads.
Now, that vest the suspect was wearing is called a suicide prevention smock. Unsurprisingly, he was denied bail and his next court appearance was set for September 29th. But first, the judge says he has to be provided with a public defender qualified for a death penalty case. Robin.
All right, Manor, thanks to you.